In today's world, majority of khuddam don't take advantage of their time. So how can we as individuals overcome our weaknesses so that we can progress in discipline, sincerity, and sacrifice and make the name of Islam shine in the world?
You see, first thing is that you seek Allah's help. For that, you have to be very much regular in your 5 daily prayers. Offer your prayers fervently and pray to Allah Ta'ala that Allah Ta'ala help you increase your knowledge and strength to work for His religion. If you are regular in offering 5 daily prayers, that is one of the means of making you disciplined in your other activities. And make a chart. What are you studying?
Yes, in my last semester.
So make a chart. That you will get up early in the morning, offer your Fajr prayer, if not Tahajjud, at least Fajr prayer on time. Then do some exercise, do tilawat, and commentary of it, translation of it, understand it, know the meaning of it. In this way you will know what are the commandments and injunctions in the Holy Quran, what are the do's and don'ts in the Holy Quran which you have to follow. Or इसके बाद अपनी study करो, then make the chart for the whole day. That this is the work you have to do. Prayers, sleep, college study, personal studies, and all these things. This is how you can discipline your life. Namaz itself is a source of making you disciplined. If you are offering 5 daily prayers, if you are regular in offering namaz, then you will yourself experience that now your life is disciplined, and that will help you start from the Fajr prayer, right?
Yeah.
That will make you regular. And this is how you can serve the Jamaat and discipline your own life as well, and even better your other worldly activities.
जी हुजूर
ठीक है?
जी जज़ाकल्लाह